So the longer the two straps are going to connect right there on either side. Shorter ones are going to connect to these, but we need to flip these over. So let's work on these first. So take the longer of the straps. Use a number 2 bolt. It's the bolt from the number 2 bag. Slides in there. And a nut from number 3. And same for the other side. I'll just pull those out of the way so we can work up in the gantry. So for this one, you're going to want to remove this. So we'll take the tape off, slide this out, and these should be able to flip up. So to get these up on top, I use a Weiss brother reeving tool. Now if you don't have one of these, the question to ask yourself is why not? But I'm going to get this other one. There. So I have encountered a small issue. These are very, very close. They're not going to touch. But I can see also right here that this is crushed, which tells me that the factory just tightened this down a bit too much. So if this happens, I would loosen these strings a little bit with the key that goes into here. And we don't want to do much. We just want to loosen it a bit so these will grab. Now this is a dual drum. You push in, turn, loosen that, and this should come up just a little bit. That's really all we're trying to do, is just loosen this just a little bit. Okay, so now that that's loose, and then pull up on the gantry, now it reaches. So let's go ahead and put a bolt in there. We're going to use the bolts from bag number 2. So normally what I like doing is just using one side at a time. Getting it into place. And I wish I could say it's that simple, but well, I guess it is. It is. Now that that's attached, do the other side. So I'll just take one of these, the outside one, put the bolt in it. Put that in place. Get the other one in place. Grab a nut. There. Let's move on to the next step.